Hello everyone, my name is Lauren Oakley with Digital Bossin, and today is How to Hump Day, and so I am going to share a quick thing that I learned this week from my 9 to 5 using Canva that I think that would benefit you guys. So I've always used Illustrator, InDesign, and those types of things before Canva was widely used. I use those, and so I have a lot of PDFs that I need converted to Canva so anybody can update them. I can share with our government relations team and they can update them. So what I ran into this week was my 9 to 5. I work for the National Association of Dental Plans full-time as an Associate Director of Communications and Technology. I know it's a mouthful. And we have a lot of white papers and issue briefs that I designed in InDesign, Adobe InDesign, and Adobe Illustrator. And our government relations team / lobbyists that are at the Capitol this week in DC, the Capitol Day is tomorrow, they needed a way to quickly be able to update those instead of having to call me all hours of the night to do it, because it's, they're working on everything all hours tonight for the Hill Day tomorrow in DC and their training. And so I was like, okay, so how do I have to redesign this completely in Canva? And so I will show you, showing you all the goods. So this is for my Data Lauren, that's my work, my 9 to 5, and they saw this, they'd probably get upset that I'm doing this, but it's okay. I'll do something that's not information sensitive legislation. So issue briefs and one pagers is where we were. And so we'll do, let's do an old one that doesn't matter. So here's one right here. Yeah, these are from 2017 and they don't even matter anymore. So I needed to, here's an old one right here. I want to put this, I did this in InDesign or either InDesign or Illustrator. I think this is an InDesign one. And they can't edit this. Like, they can go into Adobe Acrobat here and try to edit it, but a lot of times the fonts don't match up. So I did not know you could do this. You can go into Canva right here and just upload. Which I didn't know this. It's probably something you guys already knew, but I am old. I'm 38 and I didn't know. And so I would just go here. And this is probably more beneficial if you work on a team, but it may not. It may, we'll do COVID. That is not relevant anymore. Well, COVID is, but this legislation is not, so I can open that. So say I want this redesigned in Canva so anybody can update it, because usually with a free account you can update it. And so you just open it up here and it has and you have to kind of go through and like fix some of the stuff, but it gives you a starting point here. It puts everything into there. So you have to go through and like redo some of the text and stuff. The bullets don't come in right, but you update this super quick. You really don't have to update it. You can send it through a template to your staff member, and you copy that link and then you can just send it to them and they can update it. They don't have to go through you at all hours of the night for updates and text updates, which is so nice. I wish they had this earlier. So that's a cool feature I learned. I wanted to share. You guys may have already known how to do it, but I did not. So I just wanted to share that. That is my How to Hump Day tip of the week. And please submit any other ideas that you may have that you would like to see. I would love more information on what you think would be helpful to see going forward. And I hope you guys are signed up for Freebie Fridays, because you will get a fully developed digital product with master resale rights every Friday in your inbox that you can edit. You'll have the template link and you can start reselling it for 100% profit. Thank you.